What's going on? I'm going to show you how to set up your stinger transitions in OBS. So let's start by going over to studio mode, which looks insane at the moment. And we're going to queue up my full screen cam right here. So now over here you can see that this is the full screen camera. This is what you will be transitioning to, so it allows you to kind of see and set up. As you can see, you can like put on all your handles or whatever prior to transitioning. So that's the benefit of studio mode. But to set up a transition, you need to go down to your scene transition settings and change that first of all to stinger transition, and then open up the actual properties of your animation. So what's going to pop up is this window that is pretty much asking you to just put in the video file of what your transition is going to be. So we're going to hit browse, go to our folder where we saved it, and select that as our transition. So now that's in there, and now it's asking for a transition point. What it's asking is at what frame in your animation is a safe point for OBS to then change from the full screen camera to your next scene. So in this case, we made a 4-second animation. So and this, you can also just play around with it and just guess if you need to. But I'm gonna go to time or frame, and I'm gonna select. So there's 24 frames per second in video. I know for a fact that after 1 second, I have at least one of those full solids animated into the frame. So to be safe, I'm just gonna put 30. At the 30 frame point, it'll make that transition, and I'm gonna hit OK. So now we can just test it out. So it'll go from my recording of OBS to my beautiful face. So I'll hit transition, and there it is. It actually worked really well. It's that easy. So, and just by doing those little things that took me about 20 minutes at most, from making the animation to uploading it and putting it in here, you get a great looking animation that reinforces your brand, and I don't know, there's not a lot more you can ask for than looking professional and looking sleek. So I hope you learned something. I know this video was a little bit short, but this was kind of a supplement to the previous video that I made. But if you have any other questions about OBS or After Effects animations, please leave them in the comments. I'd love to make another video to answer some questions for you all. But in the meantime, make sure you subscribe so you see when the next video comes out. And odds are you'll like another video that I made if you're here. So check that one out. And I'll see you guys next Monday.